Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well today. And today we are going to discuss a very unique framework, I must say. So, I was reading this book called Mental Models by Peter Hollins. Now, for all the enthusiasts who likes to learn some very simple tricks and tips around managing oneself optimally or managing your daily tasks optimally, or managing the people if you are in a leadership position optimally. This book I would surely recommend, which is Mental Models by Peter Hollins. Is a very, like, as you can see, thin book, but gives very interesting tricks and tips, models, frameworks that are very beneficial and useful for us while managing oneself as well as the tasks in our professional and personal life. So, in this book, I was reading, and there is a very interesting framework introduced by the founder of Amazon, who is Jeff Bezos. Of course, we all know him. And this framework is called Regret Minimization Framework. Interesting, right? And very unique. So, this framework, Regret Minimization Framework, is all about getting clarity while we are in dilemma and we want to take certain kind of decisions in our life. And in our current situation, we are facing lots of dilemma, lots of confusions. We don't know what to choose, what actions to take, what will be the consequences if we take the decision X versus the decision Y, and vice versa. So, what Jeff Bezos suggested in this framework is, first, imagine yourself at the age of 80. Imagine that you visualize yourself that you are 80 years old, retired, a grandfather or a grandmother of, happy children around you, great grandchildren, your grandchildren, and you are all sorted in life at peace. Now, look back to the years that you are right now and think that whatever decision that you want to take right now, if you are at the age of 80, will you feel proud about it or will you regret it? Because this will connect to your own core values, your own value system. And then the third main point, take decision accordingly. So sometimes in our current situations, especially when we are working at a young age in this highly materialistic world, and we have lots of responsibilities on our shoulder to take on, we are often caught up in situations of dilemma that we don't know what to do at this present moment. But imagine yourself, visualize yourself at the age of 80, because it will connect you with your own individual core values, which can never go wrong, which might give you an emotional. Now imagining this kind of, imagining and visualizing this activity might give you a short emotional turmoil, but will definitely lead you to a right decision that you have to take in life. It will give you a new perspective or a fresh perspective that you are not able to look, because there's a layer of illusion in front of you, because you are only thinking from a one perspective, which is in the current situation in your age. But when you think that you are 80 years old, as I said, it will connect you to your core value system, the environment that you want to live in the future. It will connect you with your visions, your future, not just in terms of materialistic aspects, but to your soul level as well. So do try it out. As and there's a very interesting thing as well mentioned in this book, is a line that I'll read it out, that regret is a powerful factor that might tell you more than all the positive sentiments that you have experienced in this world, on this earth. So we often talk about optimism, we often talk about recreational things and good things, but there are also certain emotions in life that we consider it as pessimistic but are very, very helpful to take right decisions. And as per Jeff Bezos' regret minimization framework, regret again is a very, very powerful emotion that can help us to gain a fresh perspective that connects us with our value system and makes us think about our future in a right manner to take the right decision. So try it out, and I hope this helps in managing your own self.